Rotating objects. R key is for rotation in Blender. I have selected Rataing, the monkey head. While the object already selected, press R key to rotate and use the mouse to adjust the rotation. You can see in the right side menu the values under the rotation changes according to the rotation of the object. Right mouse click to cancel the rotation. You can directly enter the rotation values or hold the left mouse button and slide left and right to adjust the values. Another method to rotate an object is to select the transform tool. While the object is selected, this tool is also for scale and move the object. All three, location, rotation and scale, bundle as one tool. The white outer circle is to rotate the object. Use left mouse button to click and hold on white outer circle and rotate. Do the same on green semicircle to rotate on y-axis. Same blue semicircle is for z-axis. And red semicircle is for x-axis. The blue handle with the little cube at the end is to scale the object in z-axis. Red handle with the little cube at the end is to scale on x-axis. And green handle with the little cube at the end is for y-axis. The blue arrow mark is to move the object in z-axis. Red arrow mark for x-axis and green arrow for y-axis. The smaller white circle is to move the object freely anywhere in the viewport and is not bound to any axis. Naming objects. Each object has been assigned with a unique name in Blender automatically. Here I am. Double left mouse click to rename the object. Rename to Tim. Or select the object to be renamed and change it in the properties menu. It's tower. Here I am adding another monkey head and it's named automatically to Suzanne. Adding another one and it's named as Suzanne.001. As the animation or model become more complex, it is very important to have a meaningful name for the objects, to navigate and find it easily in the scene to manipulate. Naming object is one of the 3D modeling good practice. Also notice that the selected object's name appears at the top left. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.